Wow, man. Overflow with meat. Oh, give me heaven now. Hello everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Dan, I'm in Shanghai, China right now, and today we're going to Brazil with our taste bud. I'm going to try an all-you-can-eat Brazilian barbecue restaurant called Latina. I just love barbecue and I love all-you-can-eat, so I've got to give this place a try. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, first round started. Onion ring, some greens, tomato slice with a big chunk of mozzarella on top, fried fish, pork ribs, beef tripes, try crunchy, a little chewy. Taste that organ flavor with like tomato based sauce. Very nice. Time for the pork ribs. It's pretty good. Savory, real tomatoey, tender. Let's try the fried fish. Nice fish fillet. It's a little cold, but it's still really tender and delicate. Slightly crunchy on the outside. You can taste that nice fishy flavor, a little savory. It's top notch too. So far, I'm pretty happy with the buffet, and the meat's not even here yet. Refreshing, sort of clean your palate and start eating again. Crispy outside, onion, a little sweet on the inside. Nice. I gotta do a better job with my little tag here. Red means stop, green means keep coming. Alright, I'm gonna let it keep coming for now. Freshly roasted chicken drumstick. Tender, juicy, top notch. I just got 2 slices of roasted pork off the skewer. And so tender and juicy. Pepper, a little salt. Top notch roast pork. Amazing. This is the grilled cheese. A little stringy, a little bouncy and melting textures off the char. It's a little milky and cheesy and savory. So nice. Something about tomato and cheese. They're meant to be together.
Chicken hearts.
Chicken hearts, okay, we'll have some. Give it a try. Oh, wow. It's very nice. A little crunchy on the outside and a little chewy when you bite into it. A little organic, but mostly just tastes that savory chicken goodness. Still waiting for my steak. Finally, we got some beef. This beef shoulder. Drizzle some sauce onto my steak. Perfect bite size. Tender. Wow. Oh, more meat. Skirt steak, guys. Now I'm getting piled in with meat. I forgot to hurry up. Slowly roasted for 5 hours. Really tender, meaty. And I think it has a little bit of that tendon or a little gelatiny on the edges. Very, very nice. Give me heaven right now. Time to try the skirt steak. Oh, nice.
Oxbone.
Dripping with juices. Sirloin. Wow, man. Overflow with meat. Oh, give me heaven now. We got some skirt steak, and let's try them first. It's getting cold. Pepper. Really meaty. That fat layer on the outside, bursting juices. Wow, a little chewy, but still very, very meaty and flavorful. They just offered me some barbecue pork ribs. Man, meat's coming. Wow, so happy. Now let's try the lingua. I've been eyeing on them for a while. This looks so tender and juicy. Wow, so good. Tender but still a little bouncy with that beef tongue flavor, just meaty. One of the best beef tongue I've ever tried. Let's try the sirloins. Large chunk of fat on the edges. Man, that's flavor tongue right there. One of my favorite cuts. Slight char on the outside, meaty, tender, amazingly juicy, and the fat on the edges bursts in flavors and juices. So good, so good. Let's try the pork ribs. Almost off the bone, sour sweet with the little hint of wine, little that charred Creole flavor too. Top notch. See the meat coming, guys. Get ready.
Baby beef.
Baby beef. I think this is probably veal. Soft and tender, just slight screwing it to give you that meaty texture. Little milky on top of that beefy flavor. Wow. This one has a big chunk of fat on top. Out of this world. Wow. Cheese beef. You can definitely smell the cheese. Oh, definitely a little cheesy, but it means so tender. But wow, amazing. Dripping juices. Oh wow, shrimp. Yeah, definitely. Okay, what I have here, grilled shrimp. I gotta try this first. Nice bouncy shrimp, really fresh. It's not big, but it's fresh and sweet. They also offered me a cheesy bread. I know it's not that recommended to eat too much bread on an all-you-can-eat barbecue, but gotta try this cheese bread. Cheesy, a little savory, chewy and bouncy. The texture just so nice. Wow. Oh. Let's get back to our beef tongue. Pepper. Good. This beef tongue is off the charts. The best beef tongue I had in China. Wow, look at this nice leg of lamb. Finally getting my lamb. Pork, steak, and lamb. I think I'm gonna try the lamb first. I haven't tried lamb yet. Salty, herby on the outside, a little crunchy from the grill, and the meat so tender. There's no that lamb gamey taste at all. It's really quality lamb. Roasted pork. So good. It's a little crispy, a little char on the outside, then a little gelatiny, and the fat is bursting juices, and the meat is so tender and meaty off the char. Bacon wrapped beef side. They just keep coming. Oh, I gotta pace myself and try to learn to say no. I ate one piece of meat, and like 3 pieces come up. Oh wow. Slice of roasted pineapple to help you cleanse your palate so you can eat more meat. Really sweet and juicy. I think the juice a little cinnamon on the surface. Very nice. I will. I gotta say no and try to work my way through the meat I already have. Sirloin steak. It's still worth it if they only have this meat and nothing else. So this is that good. Oh, this is a new guy in the town. Bacon wrapped beef. Oh my god. So tender. On the outside, it has that bacon flavor, slightly charred, that medium fatty bacon taste, and that beef is so tender. Almost like melting in your mouth. Almost done with the meat. Oh. Just as I say almost done, they bring out more meat. And this pie is real sweet. Hey, the squid is really nice. It's like char on the top, almost a little crunchy, not chewy at all. You can just bite into it and it just breaks apart. And wow, you can taste that squid, a little oceany flavor, and that seasoning they put on top is savory. Very nice, very nice. They really got some serious skill cooking the squid. When I try to cook squid like this, always end up like rubber. Time for some fresh fruit. Alright, the refreshing round dragon fruit. Nice and sweet. Watermelon. It's okay. Quality ice cream. Chocolate ice cream. Nice chocolatey. Very smooth. It's actually pretty good. I think this is vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream is okay. Definitely chocolate ice cream. Lemon flavor, a little sour, a little sweet, and really creamy and soft, almost like a mousse. Caramel flavor on top, a little eggy, creamy, a little bouncy and jello-like. Nice flavor. Really moist and chocolatey. Oh, very nice. Such a happy meal. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do me a favor and click that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.